5 school districts are regrouping after a failed safety levy. Voters in Butler County rejected the levy yesterday. It was for more school resource officers, safety upgrades to buildings, and mental health professionals for students. Fairfield, Hamilton, Edgewood, Monroe, and New Miami schools joined together in the effort.
Providing a safe, secure, positive learning environment for our students and staff has been and will continue to be our #1 priority. However, because the levy failed, we will just need to address that in a different way.
We have pieces in place that we're going to continue with. As I said before, we have 5 school resource officers. We're still adding 2 more.
Butler County Sheriff Richard Jones opposed the levy. He favors arming staff and using metal detectors.